police station. We even went to Camp Crame, NBI, and nothing happened. I personally experienced it noong 2020. Hindi ko makalimutan yun kasi it was January 2020, credit card fraud. It was 60,000. And then, yung wife ko naman 2021, yung ganyan sistema na yung phishing, they text you from a trusted bank or trusted phone number. Tapos para minamadali ka ibigay yung ganyan, you have to transfer money. It was around 230,000. And we ended up the whole day calling people, going to the police station. We even went to Camp Crame, NBI, and nothing happened. Mas marami pang malalaking organisasyon abroad. And they target marami talagang tao, hindi lang yung pera, hindi lang yung mga bangko, hindi lang pera natin. It's small time lang tayo. So, mahirap eh. Pinaghirapan natin itong pera. Hindi naman natin ito nananakaw. And we value the money. Huwag tayo magpapaloko. And I guess this is, besides entertainment, ang main purpose of this show is to let the people know, to be aware na mag-iingat tayo. Huwag tayo magpapadala. Marami. Hindi lang dito. Pati sa probinsya, madaling lokohin. Kami nga, naloko eh. Paano pa yung iba? So, ingat po tayo. Magbibigay ng OTP pag hindi natin